Hello and welcome to today's install. Okay, so let's say April 25th of 2022. Now, it's already November. What does that have to do with anything? Let's talk about it. So back in April of 2022, this year, I was driving down this street and I saw this random house kind of poking up behind a house in front of it. And that's not normally how you see houses. So I drove down this driveway and sure enough, behind this house, there was actually another house behind it. When I drove up, there were missing shingles all over this roof. So I went and talked to the homeowner and found out, hey, what's going on with this roof? He said that their carrier, State Farm, denied their roof and they wouldn't pay for it. And I said, oh, hey, would you give me an opportunity? Would you work with me? Because what I do is I specialize in these kind of claims. And if you would you work with me and let me help you get this roof bought? He said, hey, go for it. So here we are. Now it's November. All the way from April to November, now we're actually putting this roof on. It was a long process that we finally got here, and he hung in there, and we got it done, and now he's getting a brand new roof. He's only out his deductible, nothing more, nothing less, and we got the entire thing handled for him, and he couldn't be more happier. And that's how we do it.